వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. In previous class we discussed about what is jnana, what is vijnana. Jnana means theoretical knowledge, vijnana means visheshena jnana, special type of knowledge or practical knowledge or realized knowledge. So in this episode here is an example. King Rahugana, he was a very exalted person and obviously he is trained in the Vedic system to represent Brahmana, to understand self-realization, to represent Brahman, to understand self-realization, theoretically at least. But he was in the bodily conception of life. Although he knew that there is spirit, there is matter, but when he met Jadavarta, he was in the bodily conception of life only. So in other words, even the great kings like Rahugana, King Rahugana, they could be acting in the theoretical knowledge, and therefore when they bring it to the practical round, they may apply it wrongly. He has some reasons why it is what it is. Now in this episode I am going to explain that when King Rahugana was carrying by palanquin by Jadavarta and other palanquin carriers, Jadavarta was very careful not to step on the ants. After every 3 steps he would make sure he stops and sees the ants. You can imagine the awkward motion of the results from that. Others are walking fast. After every 3 steps, Jadavarat, he would come to stand still, and there is jerk. King Rahugana first expresses his displeasure. Carry properly. He told he was angry, but he expressed it not badly. Carry properly. And again Jadavarata, after some time, the same thing he did. This time he was angry. Third time, when Jadavarata did the same thing, he used sarcastic words. Said, "You are very lean, you are not able to carry right." Actually Jadavarata was quite healthy, and he was using Rahugana, King Rahugana was using opposite sarcastic language. So then Jadavarat revealed his position to King Rahugana. He just focused few words. Immediately King Rahugana knew that he made a big aparadha to a great sadhu, great personality, because King Rahugana was trained in spiritual knowledge. He is not yet realized fully, but he has some understanding of dealing with the great personalities on the spiritual foundation. So Jadavarat, after apologizing, King Rahugana apologizing, he still had some doubts King Rahugana had some doubts. He thought he was a king. Is it not my duty to correct a person who is deviating from his duty? I am actually doing to his favor. But now he was submissively putting his questions. King Rahugana was submissively putting his questions. He was not angry with Jadabharat now. The difference is that now he was placing himself as a student, as a disciple, not as the king. He is ready to learn now. So he was placing himself as a submissive person before Jadabharat. He is asking, I still has a confusion. To me appears that king, he has the discipline, the person who is not in knowledge. I did not know that you are self-realized soul. So then how could you poke me? That was the essence of this question to Jadabharata. The other doubt is, Jadabharata just said to King Rahugana, I am the Atma, I am neither fat nor lean, I don't feel the body executing everything. I don't feel. The body is executing everything. The modes of nature is executing everything. So the soul is doing nothing at all. This is what he said, appears without the soul being present. Body cannot do anything. How can he say that the soul is doing nothing? This is the second doubt. So this appears to be very practical. King Rahugana's question. His reason is practical. Srila Prabhupada comments like that. This is the Vaishnavite philosophy. Even says that, then what is the catch? Where is Rahugana, King Rahugana going wrong? He is going practical arguments. Where is he going wrong? Srila Prabhupada explains and Jadabharata explains. You are thinking that you are the king. You are not understanding that you are spirit soul functioning as a king. This is why the problem is. The problem is you are not making yourself accountable to your superiors. God had appointed you as a king, and on behalf of God you are serving as a king. You are thinking that you are independently powerful. You lost your connection upwards and downwards exercising your authority. So he was attached to his bodily conception of life and be attached to his position theoretically. He was functioning as a king and completely absorbed in that conception. I am a king, you are my subject, and I have to correct you, and therefore he was effective. So how will one go from theoretical point to the self-realized position? Even theoretical point be here, otherwise you won't know. But the Vedic system, everybody heard from authorities, the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaisyas and the Sudras. They all went to the school of Varnasrama. They all learnt transcendental knowledge. They understood different things from the perspective of Krishna. But to realize it, one has to do something more. So the difference is that different members of the Varnasrama society have different duties and different qualities to cultivate according to the elevation of a person. Certain duties are prescribed and certain qualities are applied to him to cultivate. When does that? You can reach at that level and then you go forward. For example, a Sudra, the quality that he should possess minimally, he should be able to offer all respects to everybody, Natimanita. These are so many things we will discuss in next episode. I stop here. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Gonji Bhagwan ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premananda Hari Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.